Hello students, I am Dr. Vinay Pratap Singh, a TechCube faculty of Engineering Physics Department working as Assistant Professor in GEC Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Today I will discuss lecture 11 over the topic of helium neon laser. In this lecture I will discuss the construction and the working principle of helium neon laser. This slide shows the construction of helium neon laser. This figure shows the schematic representation of helium neon laser gas. This figure is the cross-sectional view of original helium neon laser gas. Helium neon laser is the simplest example of atomic gas laser. In this laser, the active medium is the mixture of helium and neon gas in ratio of 10:1, which is filled in a narrow tube. The tube size is about few millimeter diameter and 0.1 to 1 meter length. The pressure of the gas mixture in the tube is maintained at about 10 torr. Helium neon gas laser is pumped by electrical discharge. Electrons in the discharge tube are accelerated by electric field between electrodes. These accelerated electrons collide with gas atoms of active medium and induce transition to higher energy level to achieve the condition of population inversion and stimulate the laser emission. Helium neon laser consume about 5 to 10 watt power for electrical discharge and result in 1 to 50 milliwatt laser beam of 6328 angstrom wavelength, which lie in IR to visible range of spectrum. Helium neon laser can emit the continuous beam of laser. The wavelength of such laser is tunable. This slide shows the energy level band diagram for the helium neon gas mixture. This band diagram clearly shows that helium gas atom transfer the energy to neon atom by collision. In this laser, neon atom are directly involved in the laser transition. Helium atom in the 1s1 2s1 state excite neon atom from ground state to the 2p5 5s1 excited state respectively and return to the ground state. Excited state 2p5 5s1 of neon atom have longer lifetime as compared to its other energy levels. Therefore, they serve as metastable states and are used in achieving condition of population inversion between S and P states, which consequences of laser emission with 3390 angstrom and 6328 angstrom wavelength laser radiations. Thank you for your attention. Please stay home and keep yourself away from coronavirus infection.